Go up the right-hand side of the channel up there.
Yeah.
And once we get up there, we'll see River Esco. We'll make a beeline and we'll cut across over there.
If you've ever thought about upskilling or learning more about the coastal maritime industry, then the AMC is second to none.
This particular course is predominantly domestic students from all over Australia. We have students that are working in tourism, we have guys that have got their own fishing vessels and want to step up to larger vessels. We have guys that want to break into working on vessels that are less than 80 metres, that are predominantly working around the coastal regions. Once they do this course, they qualify to work as a mate on board those vessels, gain more experience, bigger operations. Once they're settled, we'll get things ready, we'll drop our fenders out and we'll make our floats. It's really diverse and it's a great opportunity for the students to learn a little bit more about the broader maritime industry from each other, and also it gives us an opportunity to consolidate all the skills and knowledge and contextualise to the needs of these particular students. We're really fortunate to have a fleet of vessels down here for the students to get exposure to and use. And we've got a variety of displacement hulls, we've got our planing hulls, we've got our vessel River Esco, skipjack this vessel we're on. They all have different handling characteristics. So it's really, really good for those students that don't have much vessel handling skills. They get a bit of a feeling for there is a bit of a difference.
For more information, visit amc.edu.au.